My name is Alice Nunes. I am a biologist with a PhD in ecology, and I am a researcher at the Center for Ecology, Evolution and Environmental Changes. I am a specialist in functional ecology and also in drylands, and I have been working in ecological restoration projects since 2003, more or less. Currently, I am a member of the directive board of the European chapter of the Society for Ecological Restoration. Currently, we have attained an alarming level of ecosystem degradation at the global scale. Nature does regulate the carbon cycle, and so the terrestrial, freshwater and marine ecosystems, they take on and they store carbon, and they are not only very important for this mitigation, but also in adapting to climate change consequences. In terms of carbon sequestration, forests are also very important, of course. At the European level, they store millions of tons of carbon per year, but it is important that they are properly managed. We're talking about restoring nature, and it is very important to consider that also, for instance, in agricultural ecosystems, which occupy a large area of the planet. In these systems, we need to protect the soil, improve soil health and also soil biodiversity, because it is the basis of all the ecosystem, and there are many measures to promote nature within these ecosystems that can make a difference between a sustainable production and an unsustainable one. When we're talking about restoring nature in agroecosystems, we're talking mostly about combating the homogeneity over large landscapes. And actually, heterogeneity is very important for biodiversity. In some cases, agroforestry systems may be also a solution, a way of introducing some trees in the agricultural areas can bring many benefits. It is important to have higher tree diversity because it is crucial for the resilience of those forests, and also to guarantee an uneven age structure in the forest, to have new trees regenerating, because that guarantees that we have new trees to replace the old ones. We must conserve the good forests that we still have, because you need to create all the biological interactions of all the components of the forest to be able to provide the type of services that we are expecting from forests. Well, I think it is important that we have in mind that restoring nature is not just a matter of ecology, it's also a social and an economic priority. And so we need to establish a very good dialogue between all these stakeholders, all these actors, and this is one of the main goals of the Portuguese Ecological Restoration Network, to put all of these people working together.